morning! Welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel. My name is Matilda. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to show you what it's like to be a full-time social media content creator over at Picsart. I guess this is also kind of like a behind the scenes of the London office. So you're welcome, because it's a very cool office at that. I have quite a few things to do today. I'll show you how I organize my workload usually, but I try my very best to not stay stuck on the same task because otherwise I just am not productive. And if I alternate between different tasks, I get more things done. This is me realizing that I left my microphone at home, so apologies if the sound is terrible, but I just got to work. The first couple of things that I have to do this morning are like design things. I have to design 3 posters that, I mean, I can say this because the video is probably already up by the time that you see this, but I'm just gonna do some research and maybe start gathering like assets to design these. And maybe if I have enough time before lunch, I'm gonna try and edit the intro to this video that we shot yesterday. Okay, so far I've got more work done than I intended on. Like, I'm really ahead of schedule. It's currently 2:36 and I've pretty much done everything that I set out to do today. Maybe I underestimated my work. I think that I'm gonna start filming the video that needs to go up on Monday, but my laptop needs to be charged and right now it's on like 2%. So I'm gonna go grab a drink. Come with me to find a fun drink. It's not a day in the office without a fun drink break.
Doors closing.
Guys, I made an essential Justin Bieber playlist and I've been obsessed with listening to this. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. A very dangerous thing just happened. A new blank street right outside the office is open. So, okay, in terms of like afternoon work plans, I think I'm gonna film the video, which shouldn't take me more than like an hour tops. And I'm gonna start editing that because I've already made the posters. I think I'm gonna try and edit some TikToks later because I haven't scheduled any so far. And then I'm gonna do stories and maybe I'll do a little bit of snooping on Twitter, which is honestly my favorite part of this job because I just sit on Twitter for an hour and it's market research, right? I also had to start designing band merch because I need to have it printed by the time the video comes out. So it's a lot of like planning deadlines, and that is probably my weakest suit as someone who has no concept of time whatsoever. So maybe I'll do some research about how to like make merch and stuff like that. Also, this is my first time trying the matcha iced tea, and I have to say, I thought it was going to be worse than it is. It's pretty good. I just finished filming the video, and honestly, it did not take that long at all. Usually, I would try and edit it right away, but I like to leave editing the task to do when I'm more like, or tired, because it just takes very little brain power. It's just sitting my computer and doing stuff. So maybe I will do that like tomorrow or later today. I think maybe let's research how to make merch and start designing the band things for the band video, which you guys have already seen last week or the week before. I don't know. I can't keep track of my own videos. I will say this is my first time ever using one of these meeting rooms at work, and it makes me feel very official. Like, yes, I'm just making TikToks. Is it focused? I really hope that whole video I shot wasn't out of focus, but we'll see. I am going home because I have honestly had such a productive day. I don't know if it was the fact that I was filming stuff, but I've got so much done. I still have more to do, so I gotta wake up early and get it done tomorrow because I have been trying my best to not stay up until late doing work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, download Picsart, and as always, like, tag us on your posts that you use this on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok. We're Picsart on pretty much everything. Also, like and subscribe, and I will see you next Monday. Bye!